Are you tired of hearing people talk about investing, but you have no idea where to even start? Maybe you've been at lunch with friends or in a meeting at work, and everyone's throwing around stock names like they're in some secret club. You nod along, but inside, you're thinking, I wouldn't even know what button to click to buy a stock. The truth is, you're not alone. And today, I'm going to change that. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to buy your very first stock, step by step. So the next time investing comes up in conversation, you can actually join in with confidence. Buying your first stock sounds complicated, but it's really just a few steps. First, you pick a brokerage. Second, you open and fund your account. Third, you find your stock. Fourth, you place your order. And finally, you track it over time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do each step confidently and avoid the traps most beginners fall into. Before we jump in, I'm sure you were wondering, why should you trust me? Well, I've been investing for over a decade and have learned a lot along the way. I have had some major wins, as well as made my fair share of mistakes, and I want to share all of my learnings here with you. My goal is to make investing more simple and get as many people actively investing as possible. I'm here to give you the real-world basics that actually work, because that's how I invest my own money. If you want to continue learning more about investing and doing things the right way, be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out. Now, let's get back to it. The first step to buying your first stock is choosing a brokerage. Your brokerage is the platform where you'll buy and sell stocks. Think of it like your online store for investments. Some popular beginner-friendly brokerages are Fidelity and Charles Schwab. Great for long-term investors, solid customer support, and no account minimums. These are some of the oldest and most well-known choices, but their interfaces are dated and can sometimes feel clunky. If you value longevity, these may be the best choice for you. Second are newer apps like Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood has a very modern interface that is simple to navigate with access to tons of news articles and information to go read on stocks. Webull is great for charting tools if you want a little more advanced setup, but has an interface that is inferior to Robinhood. When choosing, look for zero commission trading, no account minimums, and a platform you find easy to use. Opening an account is like opening a bank account. You'll enter your personal information, verify your identity, and link your bank account. Just log in to the website you want to choose and click sign up and follow the steps. Most brokerages let you transfer money for free, but it can take a couple of business days to clear. So plan ahead. Here's a pro tip to get started. Start with an amount you're comfortable with, even if it's $50 or $100. The goal is to learn the process, not go all in right away. Once your account is funded, it's time to find the stock you want to buy. Every stock has a ticker symbol, which is like a short nickname. For example, Apple is AAPL, Tesla is TSLA, Disney is DIS. Type the ticker into your brokerage search bar and you'll see the stock's details, current price, chart, and basic information. This is where most beginners get nervous, but it's simple. The two most common order types are market order, where it buys the stock immediately at the current price. Limit order, where it lets you set the price you're willing to pay and the order only goes through if the stock hits that price. For your first buy, a market order is usually fine if the price isn't swinging wildly. Just enter how many shares you want, double check the details, and hit buy. You can also buy the stock in partial shares by selecting a dollar amount to invest instead. This is a great feature on Robinhood, especially with expensive stocks where you can't afford the full stock price. Choose your approach and click buy. Congratulations, you're now a shareholder. You can track your investment in the app or on the brokerage's website. Just remember, you don't need to check it every hour or even every day. Investing is about the long game, not minute-to-minute moves. And it can be stressful if big events cause the market to shift a lot. Just take a deep breath and trust the process. Buying your first stock is a huge milestone. The key is to start small, focus on quality companies, and keep learning. If you learned something new today or have a success story to share, feel free to give this video a like and leave a comment below. Have another topic you are interested to learn more about? Let me know, and I will keep it in mind for future videos. Good luck and see you next video.